Buriaman, Awal Mohammed, the sports historian, sports journalist, Kesben TV, Kesben FM. Huru, are you homecoming for Asante Kotoko?
Yeah.
Haha, a chance of Wafi Baba Yara.
Yeah, same catch said a few Kotoko, but Shasia believe Baba Yara.
October, and exactly a bem. But before so Shasi and the job, what I say, Kotoko, Kokara, qualify easily. And we did it so easily.
Oh, name easy, sir, but like I told you, say, maybe who say quarter team or no one or beating eliminate Kotoko. And that was my conclusion.
I'd say a bem.
Despite the fact that Kotoko are winning 4-3, still not me GDC Kotoko. They went there and won for the first time. Kotoko are with no Nigerians for it. And that was what I expected. Now the attention switches to WAC. Now let me say no WAC, Ebo League game. Omo winning 3-1.
Hey!
Yes. Omo kwa away, Eko winning 3-1. Yes. So since we have league table now, omo about 4 games. Omo draw back no omo winning miensa. Omo no more on top of the league table. So 2 weeks from now, right?
Yeah.
So next week we're 12th, 19th.
Yeah.
Work for back room.
2 weeks from now.
Yeah, 2 weeks from now.
And Ghana Premier League so any Kotoko being more outstanding fixtures.
Kotoko outstanding
already.
Any good stars, any one of the outstanding games. I think that was supposed to be the second match game. And on Mummy and Africa.
And the third also against Pasaki.
Yeah, so I think there was some cup. And who's that after Kotoko Heart of Lions? Now the next league game is Kotoko House of Folk.
Hey.
So I league fixtures now.
Fixture congestion, no.
Heart of Lions, no bebo. The Heart of Lions bebo no. On the next Kotoko opponent.
Okay. Ampa.
On next House of Folk opponent. Yeah. Because Heart of Lions ebo dreams. And a second game has any dreams boy. Heart of Lions ebo bichim.
Okay.
And no has any bichim boy. What you say? So now Heart of Lions play Kotoko. This week. Next game no. So until what ball Heart of Lions are next opponent has of Folk.
Wow.
Tisana OLX fixtures no. Akwa about na ye DD Kotoko
homecoming
against Heart of Lions. Now, interestingly, the last 3 games are Kotoko has Heart of Lions ni Kotoko intimidation.
Which dates back the last 3
games? The last 3 games, top 4 and the 2 league games I course last season.
Yeah, top 4 na Henry Ansu.
Yes, top 4 no they defeated Kotoko. Ewo Legon at the University of Ghana Stadium. Ewo Legon. So I have said last season league no mobile bossy be Kotoko.
Yeah.
And no na okay Kamara ko ye mistake ko Joe Bin Junior e dey.
Yeah, punish
that opportunity e pashe. And second leg ewo kwandu e ko ye draw.
Yeah, Kobo draw.
Yeah, Justice Blake crowd and share Kotoko game na ko ye 1-1.
Center shot.
And interestingly, Heart of Lions omo Mubo league. And Kotoko so league 1 game per. That was the game against Bukum Chelsea.
Okay.
Heart of Lions ewo winning streak Kotoko so winning streak.
Wow.
But interestingly, winning streak for Kotoko no only 1 pen on my ball.
League
no mienu akoye Africa. 4-3 against Kwara, 1-0 against Kwara. Ewa we.
Okay.
And Heart of Lions also share Dreams FC. Okay, share league na so mo share Dreams FC. And I'm call away to 11 wonders, share 11 wonders 4-1.
Hey!
And on a Polata J, any some new Liberian striker and Freeman, a share goal. And of course, the last game of Mosoboy, which was against Bichim United, they won by a goal to 0. So it's now say Obia winning streak or Modi back into game no. And interestingly, near T bench Emma out of Lions no, only Obia than Obia or Ninkotoko. Bashir for or Obia or Babe Kotoko, you want to be about Kotoko. So if you have a coach on the Kotoko or Babebo, what coach team neda, and I think that also, and besides, once I a couple of games on the Kotoko, he will definitely know some of the weaknesses of Kotoko team. No, any an easy game, and already you say Heart of Lions already on my boogie side for Kotoko.
Yeah.
Even for days, almost say by Victor here for time no.
Jerry aside, show you mobile.
From that time, no, Heart of Lions, Omono Kotoko ye mobile see. Heart of Lions there for some couple of years, our Mobile Premier League, they have been a boogie side for Kumasi Santo. And oh how, team is on your back. At least, Kojo Bin Junior, Paul Ataji, one of the leading top scorers even within the league. Yaudanso, Ishmeladu, now even Okan the 20 team Omoko AFCON and the 20 championship. Brechiro Ebenezaba Nonkwa when ya call up Black Stars da. And of course Obeka Benjamin Enimo and Ruben Hennessy. Omo team no nya bad. They have some couple of good talents. Ebia they are not much known. We Ebia Ishmelado our national team under 20 to some extent Ebenezana and Kojo Bin Junior per the level of the experience our show ewa haso foka o make switch to Out of Lines. Out of Lines a very good team. So among for who say Abetamoa snob by snob no Black Stars now. It's about time say on train bobre.
Yes.
On making sure say influence in the county.
On make a statement.
So week in out, you are banging in the goals. The bedroom maybe then ya or performance in the compel you to give you the collar.
To give you the collar.
Because per the level of Kotoko setup now. Oshe ni obetimi ben and obetimi knocking the doors of Black Stars collar. I'll be a certain Abetamoa. Interestingly, as I said, the position a lot of forward liners, right? No, maybe a problem, but I think he needs to maintain the momentum now. Washas, banging in against Quara, scoring against Chelsea. Even though against Quara in the second leg he couldn't score, but like now he showed some couple of influence. Ochina game be like this, no show presence, no share. Next game against Asofok. Against work now share no then ya the technical handlers of Black Stars and the Abba so and I think very good Samba Munina wo Patrick Asiedu injury concerns in Shedam Kotoko we saka down the more sidelines and Patami do alcohol injury back Obia wo
your little brother so I'm told to Abba
Shaibu, fantastic right back. Fantastic right back. And I think the Kotoko a very good right back this season. Because if you have Lord Amoa, I'll bet me more solidity. Shaibu will be able to support. And to some extent, Hamzata, it's me ball, improvise. Kotoko three backer. I don't know, senior coach Zito Beshi set up no Echina. I don't know how he's going to go. Okay, Baba I also young free injury by. But Emmanuel Entry is still around. Back. Yeah, Emmanuel Entry is still around. And of course, the man of the moment, Meka Hubert Jau.
Yes,
Hubert Jau is in top shape. Second half against Bekum Chelsea showed the presence.
He was super.
The first leg against Quara, he did well. He did marvelously well. And he stole the show in the second leg when he scored the only goal of the game in the second leg. And I also. So I think the Kotoko is in high spirits in as much as a game in Mobile. Kotoko might be having the advantage of starting as favorites, but an easy task.
It's a difficult game.
Yeah, an easy task because Out of Lines will be coming strongly. Last season, okay, I said no more picture no more. No more betting on the league no more.
They were contenders.
Now Out of Lines were also strong contenders for the league. Ebedu maybe top 4 no. Nay or more nations. And Bibiani Gold Stars and a Kotoko. Later on, the nations, it's me a mistake, man. Has to focus because Out of Lines, they were also one of the strong contenders during the last season.
As you said, the experienced coach or more would want to win a league with them before he retires.
And I think a major statement for Fandu Out of Lines. Say, Coach Bashir Hayford, we need a league, no?
Yes.
And I think a very, very big boost because no Volta team has ever won the Ghana Premier League. And I think it's a very big history. So let's see what happens at the Babayara Sports Stadium. We are making sure say Babayara. Since June, Kotoko more Babayara and the league, no. I shall see what Babayara and there will be a making sure so the Babayara. Yakako Kotoko Out of Lines. Okay.
Okay.